Hey guys, Stacy and George, Florida Parks After Dark. You guys asked, we did our research, and you wanted to know what is the best pool at Walt Disney World. So George, what is the best pool at Walt Disney World?
The best pool at Walt Disney World
is drumroll!
Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. By far the most magical, the most special, hidden gem, and we found it for you.
Guys, we've been coming to Disney World for over 40 years. We have stayed at the Jambo House 4 times and never knew this pool existed. Never knew it existed. This is by far the best pool in Walt Disney World, so come along. We are gonna show you why. Let's go.
Kidani Village has its own pool, but it is not your usual pool. You come in on an upper level. Right here they have the hot tub. It's right past that door by the fitness center. So okay, great. Nice bench, nice thing. And then you come out here. Now I have to show you this. This is their pool. Up here they have a splash area where the water kind of collects. It comes down that waterfall and goes down to that kid's area. But let's go down and show you guys what this is. So hold on. So you come in at the higher level and it's down a hill. So you come down these stairs. And I'll show you the pool first, then I'll show you the splash area. I'm gonna get you a great view of it. We're gonna go up these stairs. They have a bridge that goes across this. Let's go up and take a peek here. So there's their slide. Up there, snakes around. It's just basically, oh, there goes one, right? Splashes out here in the pool. And that's the pool. Zero entry all the way over to the right. 4 feet is the deepest part, it looks like. A nice sized pool, great amount of chairs. Backs up to basically nothing. Basically a marsh. So it's really private, really pulled away. What's great over here, they have a little kid's slide. Watch, boop, there she goes. So it has all that. Plus big size, a little slide, a big size pool area. Now let's come back down. We'll come down the stairs. And what's great, they do have ample seating. We'll come this way.
Who we got? It's gonna be...
And right now they're doing kid activities at right here.
My green star, come see me. Everybody else,
And let's go check out the splash park. Now splash park is amazing. So this is the entrance right here, which is just awesome. And then it's this Potty Trading Company splash park. So first they have a gigantic water bucket that splits the water because it's breaking open. It has a water trough that comes down into that bucket. Let's come over to where all the activity is. They have dumping buckets over here that fill and dump. They have sprayers that spray out. And then there's that waterfall we saw from up top where that water collected. It comes down that waterfall. There's a slide that comes out through that little dark section there. There's a great shady spot up here, a little cabana where you can kind of get up there and kind of watch. Besides the dumping buckets, they have sprayer snakes, just like Jungle Book. And then they theme it out beautifully. So it's kind of like you're an oil trading company. They have sprayer flowers over here. There's that dumping bucket, that big water bucket. I'm getting wet as we speak. And then they have kind of just a little splash pool for the little iddles. Little iddles can do the splash pool with little sprayers. And then they kind of have this, which is more of a playground tucked in here where you can kind of do climbing ropes and cargo nets and all that. And what's great about it, guys, they got lounge chairs with shade for the parents. What? So clearly Disney has thought through everything. So we'll cut under the water thing and show you one other thing they have here. I'm telling you, this is a huge surprise. We came across this pool. It is the most hidden, underrated pool area ever. And I'll be honest with you, compared to Jambo House, this pool is 10 times better than Jambo House. Jambo House is relatively pretty nothing pool, I'll be honest with you. But they have Maji. Maji is their bar and counter service restaurant. So you can grab some quick bites, you can get a drink right here poolside. It's just off the pool area. And here's their menu. So they do all the drinks, and then they do have entrees. So they have frozen drinks, and they have beer and wine, non-alcoholic beer, non-alcoholic drinks. So you and your kids can get each a drink with a little umbrella. Then they have all the entree snacks and kids meals here. So really, you can get food here. We're not done yet. That alongside here, they have seating. But the one thing that will literally blow your mind is tucked way back here in the corner. They have a fire pit, but they also have that viewing area. And I just spoke to the cast members at the viewing area. They said in the morning there are so many animals here, and over the course of the day they migrate from here to the front. But this is something no one knows is here, and you can come and actually see animals really almost as your private reserve. So guys, it's George Florida Parks After Dark. If you do not come away from Kidani Village after this area and enjoy it, you have missed out on such a part of this resort. So do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna keep showing you the stuff that maybe no one else is gonna show you guys. Take care of a fantastic